let's take this opportunity to bring back in our guest still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, great to see you. As I said earlier, cross-examinations are where defense attorneys make their money. You do it often, you get good at it. I think this guy's doing a fairly good job of what he's trying to do is essentially separate Michelle from anything bad going on there, and also explain some of the inconsistencies that we've seen in her long three different times she did an interview with police.
Yeah, absolutely. I know the strategy that this attorney is deploying. It's a strategy I learned young as an attorney. I agree with it. And the strategy doesn't really have a name. It's where you throw a bunch of darts on the board and you hope to get as many as possible. But also he's deploying another strategy that I also agree with, which is he knows that a lot of the questions he's going to ask are going to get an objection. But he doesn't really care. He just wants the jury to hear him ask the question. There was one question where he knew he was going to get an objection. He got the objection. He withdrew it. Then there was the hearsay question where he asked the detective, hey, wasn't it true that Dulos said blank, blank to her? He knew that was hearsay. He knew that he had no chance of overcoming an objection on that. And obviously he lost that one. It was just pure hearsay. So I know the strategy. It's a strategy that, like you say, this is where defense attorneys make their money. You want the jury to hear the question, even if you know that it's not going to be brought into evidence. But it's valuable, very valuable. So that's what he's doing. I agree with the strategy. I know the strategy, and it's a strategy, like you said, this is where defense attorneys make their money.